These are the only fruits and vegetables you should be eating in January. Why? Because they're in season. This is how I smoothie prep with fresh veggies and fruits all January. Watch this. I get all my produce from the farmer's market, so the first thing I do when I get home is give everything a quick rinse. Once everything is so fresh and so clean, we move over to the cutting board. First, we're starting off with those bananas because they're in season in January. Give those a nice chop. Then we're gonna move over to those pears. Slice those on up and set them to the side. Next, it's all about those pineapples. I like to save the skins so I can make a nice tea afterwards. So do not throw out those pineapple skins. Now, once everything is nice and chopped up, this is where I like to get my Ziploc bags and prepare these for the freezer. So all I do is grab a handful of each produce, the pineapples, the bananas, the pears, also the spinach, and my kale. Stuff them just a handful each, then throw them in the freezer. Now what I like to do is the night before, I'll take out one of these bags, put them in the fridge so that it thaws out, but it doesn't get completely thawed out and mushy. It's still nice and cold. For my smoothies, I like a nice oat milk base, some chia seeds. We're gonna dump our fresh January produce right up in there, a little bit of yogurt, and then I add my power boosters, the Vital Spice Daily Blend, which has ginger, cinnamon, turmeric, everything you need to keep your health on point, and then the Vital Spice Immune Boost, which will keep that sick away, packed with vitamin C and all-natural spice to keep your immune system on point. Both spices are available at UncleDibbz.com. We're eating seasonal all 2024. For a recipe in the caption or visit the link in my bio.
That's good, shorty.